So, Van Wilder's back home. So, uh, ooh, I gotta clean my walls. But, what was I gonna say? Anyways, hold up. What's up, y'all? It's been a long time. It's been a very interesting year, and I'm gonna try my best for 2020. My New Year's resolution, my personal New Year's resolution, is to be more productive and post more. It's not gonna be much because I'm still going through some shit, but things are starting to get a little bit better. So my focus is a little bit better. My mind's way better. What else? Just things are starting to get a little bit better. Especially, I got all the toxic people out my life. Anything toxic and negative, done, over with. So I'm good, you know. So I mean, look, that's my backyard. That's my work area. Couldn't ask for anything better. Then I also got my dog. Hemi. There's Hemi. And Scrappy is right there. Anyways, real quick, Van Wilder's back home. Took it to work a few weeks ago because the starter gave out on my truck on Rocksteady, which is back over there. Anyways, so took it to work. It's cold as fuck and it's still overheated. Removed the thermostat, warrantied it out. Drove it home today for the first time in a couple weeks, and the drive between work and my house is about 25 miles. The drive to work, when I originally drove it, it overheated like crazy. The drive from work here today, it didn't overheat as much. So I don't know. I know I told myself I was going to do a leak down test and a block test and to see where the engine's at. I'm going to do a compression test tomorrow, but and a leak down test now that I have my van at home. So, and I could focus more and do more now that it's at home instead of driving 25 miles each way to work to go work on it. So, but you know, Van Wilder still runs and drives. Turns on the first lick. Check this out. See? No issues. So it's just the overheating shit is really fucking bugging me. So with the overheating shit, just I don't know. We'll figure something out. But I'm gonna do a leak down test tomorrow, as well as a compression test. See how healthy the motor is. Hopefully I don't have to do a full rebuild. Hopefully I could just, take the motor out, and, reseal it, clean it up, and put it back in. At the same time, another reason why I'm starting to take Van Wilder apart is when I replaced the thermostat and took it for a test drive in front of my shop, clutch started to slip. On top of that, the wheel cylinders for the rear drums started to leak again, and I had just replaced those. So I'm gonna take those out, get them warrantied out. I'm kind of thinking about calling Toyota to see if they have them available still, but they're under warranty, so it's free shit. Really haven't done much with the van because everybody that knows me, follows me socially on, Facebook, or know me and know my number and, talks to me on a regular, y'all know what I've been through the last couple years. So, it sucks to have to put Van Wilder on hold for a bit, but, you got to do what you got to do sometimes, But starting tomorrow, I'm gonna go ahead and start ripping out the transmission, possibly the engine, and see how much I could get off of Vanwilder tomorrow. And then as far as Rocksteady goes, Rocksteady, I miss when my baby was pretty clean and shit and purty. But slowly but surely, I need to finish the body work on it. But thing is, I haven't even started it because I don't have a garage, and again, 25 miles each way to work. I couldn't do it, but again, if y'all know my situation, I gotta watch every dollar I spend, and that includes gas. So, but like I said, things are starting to get a little bit better. Hopefully, real soon they'll get way better. But yeah. So, Rocksteady, I got him at a point where he runs, he drives. Don't know what happened with that, but now that what was I saying? Oh yeah. So without further ado, sit back, relax. I'm gonna get cranking on Vanwilder. At least get him ready for tomorrow, and then tomorrow, teardown begins. Yeah, y'all.